In today's video, we will be talking about all the essentials you need to start your journaling journey. So grab your notebooks and get ready to document life on paper. Hello to all the awesome peoples out there. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, I am Bhavya and I make videos around journaling, books and life. So if we share the same vibes, follow along in this journey of growing up and living life. So I'm back with another journaling video, and in today's video we are gonna be talking about all the essentials you need for journaling. So if you're someone who is starting their journaling journey or has been journaling for a while, this is going to be a really helpful video. So let's get started. So first up is a notebook. So to start your journaling journey, one thing that's really important is to have a notebook that suits you and that serves your purpose. So these are all the kind of notebooks I've used throughout the 9 years of my journaling journey, and I have experimented a lot, and that's what I suggest to you guys, to experiment through different kind of notebooks so you guys will find your ideal type. I started back in 3rd grade. I started with my school notebook. Those were nice, those were fine. Then after few years I moved to the dated journals, but they didn't work for me at all because I wasn't into daily journaling back then. Then in 2021 I shifted to spiral notebooks. Those were good. I really loved them. I thought I'm going to use them forever. But then I found these journaling notebooks and I fell in love because these are the perfect notebooks for journaling. You get the elastic to just keep all your journaling entries safe, and these are just pretty and really easy to keep. So I highly recommend these kind of notebooks. But this year I ordered a vintage diary because I am a vintage girly. I love things that are like old and vintage. So I started using this journal. I am not sure if I'm gonna continue with using these kind of journal, but it's a pretty good one. You also get different kind of papers, lined, dotted, white sheets. You can use them all and just like figure out which one suits you best. Next, let's talk about different writing tools like pens, markers and sketch pens or colors. So I use a simple ball pen for my daily journaling because that's what suits me. But for my creative journal, I use glitter pens, markers and brush pens. I highly recommend brush pens because they are really useful. You can do calligraphy with them, and those are like just so pretty, makes your journaling entries so beautiful and vibrant. So you can just go as creative as you want to go with them. Now let's add a little bit personality with decorative items like washi tape, stickers and colorful sheets. I like to DIY mine. Like I DIY all my stickers, my washi tapes and the colorful sheets. If you guys want, I can make a separate video on that. But recently I also got a sticker kit as a birthday present and I love it. It's so beautiful. There are so many various options online and it makes your journaling more beautiful and creative, and it's so fun to use all the different types of things in your journal. And last but not the least, finally, to add on a little bit personal touch in your journal, you guys can get some pictures printed. This is not something that's really essential, but I feel like it adds so much personality to your journal, because what's a better way to store memories than pictures, right? And you don't have to spend a lot on it. You don't have to just get some fancy Polaroid printer or something for it. Just get all the pictures printed on a normal sheet like color print and all, and that works great. But if you guys want to get Polaroid pictures, that's also fine, but I like to get mine printed on a sheet of paper. At the end of the month, I always get all the pictures printed from that month and then stick it around in my journal, and it turns out so pretty every time. And I started doing this year, and I can't wait to just look back add those images in future, and it's like a beautiful way to store your pictures. Well, by that, I would like to end this video here only. If you guys have other suggestions about the things you need for journaling, do comment down below, and also comment down your go-to journaling items. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.